Guys, and welcome to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can remove the notification virus or tabulas or other softwares from your owner Magic5 Lite. So, if you see something like that when you're trying to visit inside or just something like that in your notification bar, that means you have a notification software. And you can try to remove it by two ways: system settings and antivirus app. Now I'm gonna show you the first method. Let's go to the settings, look for the apps, and tap on the apps again. Now check the list, and if you see something strange, the app that you have not installed by yourself, the app that you not recognize the name of it, just tap on it and click on install. Click OK. And now in the second step, go back to the app list and look for your web browser. Then go to the storage and tap on the manage storage. Choose clear all data and OK. After that, your web browser shall be free from notification software. But if that way doesn't work for you, you can also try to download antivirus app, so go to the Play Store or App Market App Gallery and look for the best antivirus app for you. I'm always using Avast, so we can launch it. And now, in this application, tap on the Continuous Free and choose Smart Start Scan. Allow permissions, tap on the switcher, go back to the app, and always use the deep scan. After the scanning process, all of the viruses should be deleted from your phone. That's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.